Are you frustrated with how slow your computer is running? Do not worry. There's a simple trick you can use to speed it up that many people don't know about. First, go to the search bar on your computer and type CMD. You'll see an option, Command Prompt. Right click on it and choose Run as Administrator or simply click here. This will open up a black window where you can type commands. Now in the command prompt window, type the following command: DISM space /ONLINE space /CLEANUP-IMAGE space /CHECKHEALTH and press enter. This command will check if your Windows system image is corrupted, which could be the reason for your computer's slowness. If there is any issue, this tool will let you know. By doing this, you can find if there's a problem that needs fixing, potentially speeding up your computer significantly. Give it a try and see if it helps make your computer run smoother and faster.